In this one, the question is find the surface area of the image. So in this image, we have a half circle. We have a half circle, which is this, and we have a triangle, which is this. Now we know that surface area for the circle. We know for circle, right? Which is either pi d or pi r square. Okay, so let's target the circle first. Okay, now in this one the diameter is 8 centimeter, so we know the radius is 4 centimeter. So in this one, if we put pi into 4 square, which is pi into 16, so pi is 3.14 into 16, which is coming as 50.24. But we know that this is a half circle. Half circle means half of the circle, so that means it is 50.24 divided by 2, so which is coming as 25.12. So we know that the surface area of this half circle is 25.12 cm square. Okay, now we'll have to find out the surface area of this triangle. We know that surface area of the triangle is, area formula of the triangle is half into base into height. Okay, so half, what is the base? Base is 12. What is the height? Height is 8. Okay, so we can write it as 6 as 48 centimeter square. Now we have to add both of them to find out the total surface area, so which is half circle plus the triangle. Okay, the half circle is 25.12 plus the triangle is 48, so it is altogether coming as 73.12 cm square. So the surface area of the image, which includes a half circle and a triangle, is 73.12 centimeter square. Thank you. If you like the video, kindly please subscribe and like. Thank you.